Gunfire between a construction crew and two men accused of trying to steal property from their site.
Yeah, this happened late this morning in Longwood. West 2's Dave McDaniel lays out how it all escalated.
Thankfully, nobody was hurt, but according to the Longwood Police Department, around 11 in the morning, two men in a car showed up here at this construction site right next to South Seminole Hospital. And the construction workers believed they were going to try to steal from the construction site, so they confronted the two suspects. Those suspects were wearing masks. One of those suspects, according to the construction workers, pulled out a gun, so another construction worker ran to his vehicle, came out also with a gun. The two exchanged gunfire. Again, thankfully, even though bullets were flying, nobody was hurt. The suspects took off, and of course the Longwood Police Department continues to investigate, and they're searching for those suspects. Reporting in Longwood, Dave McDaniel, West 2 News.
Investigators say there was no impact on the hospital itself.